imagine. Come on, let me get y'all together in there. Okay, that's what I'm talking about. That's right. You are a Phoenix. Okay. I'm actually taking video so y'all can dance if you want to.
And to my two beautiful daughters. Three. You already know what it is. Three. Especially poor Leah because she was so used to having all of them. And I didn't have it to give to her. So I want to just thank you for being patient with Mommy. And Mommy's sorry she didn't have the time for you. But I have 4 months free. So I'm going to be making up some of that time before I start on my next degree. Oh, Aaliyah wants me because I guess she's watching Mommy and her business. You know, I do the pillows and the interior decorating and stuff. So she's like this little arts and crafty girl and stuff. So a little later on, I'm gonna allow her to show you guys what she put together, made. And she wants your support. I don't know how much she's charging for her little pictures, but
but it's her dream.
You guys support, you know. It starts early, so. When we're done.
When we're done,
Let's
Aaliyah.
let Miss Cashew come on because we have a few people that have to leave. And I
Okay.
don't want to hold anyone up.
All right.